Boo, it's Halloween. Let's talk about the scariest thing in marketing, fear. Because while monsters and ghosts might not sell products, fear absolutely does. And let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright, and this is brought to you by TexasCMO.com. Marketers have used fear forever, but not boo, scary. It's not that kind of fear. It's more like fear of missing out, or fear of wasting money, or fear of making the wrong choices. Those trigger the same survival instincts that kept our ancestors alive. And today, they drive clicks, signups, and purchases. Limited time offers, social proof, countdown timers, they all work because they create a tiny dose of anxiety that pushes action. But here's the twist. Too much fear kills trust. Good marketing uses fear to spark urgency, not panic. So yeah, fear still sells, but only when it's hope on the other side. Your job isn't to scare people, it's to show them the safe, smart way forward. Oh, and happy Halloween. I'm Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute. For more information, visit www.texascmo.com.